Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are talking about something many new YouTubers, content creators get confused about. So without wasting your time, make sure you watch this video to the end, and we'll be right back. Many YouTubers are confused about the $10 threshold verification on YouTube. When you get monetized, YouTube will tell you that when you reach your $10 threshold, we all know that it's AdSense that pay us through YouTube anyways, and it's AdSense that have the power to tell you to put in your identification, which is your address and other things, which you will sign in from AdSense, Google AdSense. All right, so if you don't know about this, as a new content creator, you come across this channel, watch to the end, and I'm going to be teaching you guys what you should do and what you should not ignore as well. Get your pen and paper ready and use this opportunity to check your YouTube studio at the dollar sign. You will see the notification over there. So these are the documents Google AdSense actually need from you to verify your identity. So one, you will need your passport, you need your driver license, and also you will need your national ID card, and also any government issue identification as well. And the information on the document should match your AdSense name, and also your date of birth. And sometimes your address, make sure is complete. Remember all the information you fill in during the time YouTube asks you to link your YouTube to AdSense. It's the same information they are going to require from you. So you just need to remember the address you put there, your phone number. You remember your phone number, you also put there. And also the location should be complete. Location is address. The address of your house, in case when they want to send you there, because after the $10 threshold, they may want to send you the AdSense pin, so you might not just know, so they need back those information as well. And make sure the images are clear when you are kind of working with the verification to identify your identity. Make sure it's clear and it's not blur. If it's blur, there is problem. Most creators know this. You're not going to find it easy. Anyways, the image, it should be clear, not blur. And also all the corners are available. If the document is unclear, Google can reject it, which is AdSense. Google can reject it. They will reject it. It will not be accepted until you complete it, and your payment will be put on hold. You can be making money on YouTube, but you will not receive the money if all these are not completely clear and if they are not correct. Watch this video. So anyways, the $10 threshold is all about when you connect your YouTube to Google AdSense. You are required, when you meet the $10 threshold, you are required to verify your identity again. Most of the first information you entered, like filling in the AdSense when you get monetized, especially when you hit the 4,000 watch hour, those are the information they need back from you. In case your account is individual, it's so much easy. And if your account is a business account, you have a lot of work to do, because they're going to be asked for your business details. Either they will ask for your business certificates, the CAC, the other type, how you registered your business. And remember, they will still ask you the tax details, how you pay your tax as well, maybe during the time you want to cash out. But we are talking about the $10 threshold. What is going to happen when you don't pay attention to it, and when you see it, you decide to ignore it? I'm going to be explaining it here. Or when you don't know about it, and how you should be checking it often in case when you hit the $10 threshold.
What?
Google monitor your account, so as YouTube monitor your account as well, but Google monitor your account. Google is AdSense. Google AdSense monitor your account. Immediately you hit the $10 threshold, they will notify YouTube, and YouTube, first of all, AdSense will send it to your AdSense YouTube email, which from there, maybe sometimes if you don't check your email, you might not just see it. You understand? And YouTube will also send you the same message to identify yourself, to identify your identity. They will ask you to identify your identity. When you click on it, you see all the things they will ask you from there, in case if your YouTube account is business or is personal. You understand why Google actually requests most creators, especially the new ones and old ones, everybody, to identify their identity. Google wants to make sure that the account truly belong to a real person, like you are the owner of that account, not a robot or not for something else. So that's why they will request you to refill your addresses, personal informations, and business details, business information, your location, everything, to identify it again in the individual account. I have an individual account. During the time I was verifying my own, like, I have to take a screenshot of my face. They screenshot my face, they screenshot my card, front and the back, everything. They did everything. So if you are not in the individual sector, you are in the business sector, it might be different. All right. And I also use my name card as well to verify, and it take up to 72 hours, I think 3 days or 4 days, before the verification was actually completed. And if your verification is not completed, AdSense is going to demonetize your account, meaning your money is going to be on hold, not YouTube demonetizing your account, until you complete it. And the specific time they give you to complete it sometimes is up to 4 months, and they will keep on repeating it in case if you don't see it. And once they take it away, YouTube will finally demonetize your account, because you could not provide much, you could not provide your identity, which is identifying your identity, providing those information you log in before, after you got monetized. Most of your address, mostly your address, your contacts, your what other things, your name, streets, and everything. These are the things they need back from you. And if you are not able to get your address completely, like correctly, there is a problem. You can be uploading videos and ads may be running on it, but your money is going to be on hold till you complete the details that they request from you. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will come your way again in my next video. And if there's anything you want to know more about this, reach out to me on Facebook, Kate on Facebook. Thank you so much. I will come your way in my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.